Hey guys, welcome back to Nuggy and Josh, but unfortunately today we do not have Nuggy with us, but it's still going to be a good video, so let's dive in. You might be asking yourself, what is today's vlog about? Well, it's about this thing right here. It is a Rebel Air Force Nerf gun, $10, I kid you not, really cheap for this. It comes with a removable scope, which is pretty cool. It is magazine fed, as you can see here. Now, the one thing that's a pain is, as you can see the magazine clip here, when you try to pull the magazine out, you can't. That's because I don't have this thing to cock the gun back. So you always have to have that back. And then as you'll see, the clip falls out. So that's a little pain, but it is still a really good gun for $10. It shoots up to 80 feet. I'll show you guys the firing here in a little bit. I like the little stock it's got. And to be quite honest with you, this scope, really good scope. So I definitely do recommend this if you're looking, for a cheap sniper rifle gun. I definitely do recommend this. So before I start shooting, I'll mention how far the bullets go on this, 80 feet. So pretty good distance. I wouldn't necessarily use this in a battle, a Nerf battle, because it only holds 8 ammo. I know that might sound like a lot, but when you're in a Nerf battle, typically that won't be, a lot, especially if you're in a Nerf competition battle. So I definitely don't recommend this for, just having a Nerf battle. But if you're having a 1v1 Nerf battle with your friend, just to play, I guess you could use this, but if you're in a serious battle, I wouldn't personally use this, but it's a really good gun. Now for $10, the plastic, pretty good plastic. It feels like kind of cheap plastic, but it's good. So I'm gonna show you guys some firing now. Let's get to it. There. Alrighty guys, firing test went really smooth. I give this a blaster, a 10 out of 10. I only put 4 in the magazine for the firing test. Y'all better like and subscribe, post those notifications, because we're going to be uploading a little bit more, so subscribe.